Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll take a look at one of Pro Tools' most powerful features, playlists. Whether you're recording music, editing voiceover, or working in post-production, knowing how to use playlists effectively can greatly improve your workflow. My name is Ian Dutra from ID Sound. If you need help with your project, check out my portfolio on my website and send me an email. I'd love to work with you. In Pro Tools, playlists let you store multiple versions or takes of a track without having to create extra tracks. Think of them as alternate layers, all housed neatly under one track. After we record our takes, we combine them into a comp take to get the best performance. Let's leave the main playlist for our compiled take and create a new playlist by clicking on the arrow beside the name and selecting New Playlist. You can also use the shortcut Control on Mac or Windows key /. Then press Return on your keyboard to select OK. And now you may record your first take. Once your takes are recorded, you can start comping the best parts into one final take. To view them, click the Track View selector, select Playlists. Now you'll see your main playlist at the top with any alternate playlists below. You can change the main playlist by clicking that same arrow beside the track name and choosing the playlist you want as your main. The speaker button beside each take determines which one is heard. Try selecting the section you want to hear and use P and semicolon to go back and forward between takes while pressing Shift S to solo them. You can press the spacebar to play and hear each section. Once you find the one you like, press Ctrl-Option-V on Mac or Windows key Alt-V on Windows to bring it into your main playlist. Repeat this across your project and you'll quickly build a clean, polished comp. Here's another method I personally prefer. Keep your track view selector on waveform. Start on your main playlist, then use Shift down arrow to see the first take. Select the section you want to hear. Go back to your main playlist by pressing Shift up arrow and press Shift Command down arrow to bring the takes from other playlists and audition them one by one. Once you find the one you like, just leave it there and move on to the next section. Then repeat the process until you have a full comp take. You may want to disable loop playback for this. If you want to rename your playlists, click on the name, type in a new one, and press enter. If there are any takes you don't need anymore, click on that same arrow beside the track name, select Delete Playlists, and choose the ones you wish to delete. Here are a few bonus tips. First, you can use playlists to save alternate versions of sound design ideas or mixes. Second, the more keyboard shortcuts you use, the faster you'll finish each project. And third, before making major changes, duplicate the current playlist. That way, you'll always have a backup in case you mess up. And that's it. Quick overview of how to use playlists in Pro Tools. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments how you're using playlists in your workflow. Don't forget to check out my website to know more about my services. Thanks for watching.